Hello, true bodies. Welcome back. I'm sorry it's taken me so long to put another video up. A lot has happened this week. I can go through all that later, but welcome back. Make sure and subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of fun things going on that are going to be happening. I actually wrote out all my videos for the next month. So today I wanted to go ahead and dive into my most popular question that I get. What are your meal plans? Okay, so let's get going. Full disclaimer. You want to know what my meal plans are? Here, hold on one second. Here you go. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see it? Nothing. There are no meal plans. So I'm going to be very frank with you guys because I don't sugarcoat anything anymore. Case in point. But I will never write out meal plans for you, ever. I don't even do it for myself, so I'm certainly not going to do it for the entire population at large. One of the things on this is not a weight loss program. This is a health program. So the things that I'm going to share with you are the principles that I've learned to be able to do this, so you don't have to count calories and worry about exercising 15 hours a day or doing some other odd end stuff just to try and lose weight. This is something to get your body in check and to get everything in order. So then the end result will be, if you are overweight or you do need to lose some weight, it happens because your body is naturally purging out everything it doesn't need anymore and taking and using the nutrients that you do provide for it. So my meal plan. You want to know my meal plan? I'll go ahead and tell you my meal plan. It has 3 certain components to it. Fat, protein, and vegetables. That's pretty much where I am. Okay, so if I'm in the grocery store, you know where I shop. I go down the vegetable aisle, I go down the meat aisle, and then I hit the aisles on the side where the eggs and the butter are. That's where I stay. And like I said, one time I want to do a shopping haul at least once so you guys can kind of see the things that I buy. So if I do go into any of the center aisles, you'll know exactly what I grab and what I get and why I do that. But just so you guys know, I'm not going to give you a meal plan. I'm not going to tell you what I ate for 2 weeks straight. I'm happy to provide pictures. I can give you some examples, which I will do that. I'm going to cook a couple meals and put them up on here so you guys can enjoy some of my favorites because they are so good. But there is no meal plan. I'm just going to go ahead and let you know because I don't count calories and I don't count how much I eat. I just know. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the key is learning when to stop. So if you're going to have protein, fat, and vegetables with your meal, you don't want to gorge yourself where you feel horrible. You just want to feel satisfied. And I know that's kind of hard because I was in that realm where I was used to just eating and eating and eating and not really knowing when to stop. But this whole way of life is a completely different aspect to it. You don't feel that way, and you guys are going to become satisfied so quickly. So, once again, there are no meal plans. I want you to focus on composing your meals of those 3 basic concepts: your protein, your fats, and your vegetables. The thing about the vegetables, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, when you eat vegetables, it provides nutrients in your body that we've got to push out a whole bunch of toxins and a whole bunch of bad stuff. So I am going to tell you, as you're eating vegetables, probably more so than what you do, because I would say the average American is probably really blessed to eat a salad maybe once a week. Maybe once a week. I don't know. Do you have a salad once a week? You really need to be eating a lot of greens every day, especially just starting out on this, because you want to try and get your body oversaturated with these vitamins and nutrients and everything that it needs. Now, the protein, I've said before, don't be afraid to eat meat. I eat steak. I eat red meat. I eat hamburgers all the time. I eat chicken, salmon. I've got some really good recipes I can provide with that. But Don't be afraid to eat meat. There's a lot of people, oh, meat's not good for you. Meat is packed with vitamins, and you need the amino acids to feed the muscle to get all the protein. So you don't want to miss out on that. And then you need your fats, because I'm going to tell you guys, as we go through this and the way we continue doing it, especially when we get into the fasting protocol, your fats keep you satisfied from meal to meal. So you have to have those fats. And I know you guys are probably wondering, oh my goodness, what kind of fats, what kind of vegetables, what kind. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys, I am definitely going to do a grocery haul. So that might be my next video. So I want you guys to stay tuned. Please make sure and tell your friends, your family, hit the subscribe button, and join me next time. And I will see you guys, and we'll go pick out some things in the grocery store. Okay, I'll see you again later. Bye, True Bodies.